If climate change is left unchecked, rising temperatures, extreme weather, and land degradation could trigger a global food crisis, according to a report by the United Nations panel. A report examined how agriculture will be affected by global warming, as well as how food productions and other changes in land use are expected to contribute to climate change in the future. The panel concluded if average global temperatures rise 2 degrees Celsius over the pre-industrial average, the risk of food supply instabilities are projected to be very high by the end of the century. Climate change is increasing both the frequency and severity of extreme weather, which will result in more intense downpours during storms or lengthening extreme heat waves, which will disrupt crops and alter growing seasons. Scientists are already seeing the domino effect of climate change's effect on agriculture. In the spring of 2019, huge swaths of the Midwest were affected by heavy rain and flood-soaked fields that significantly delayed farmers from planting soybeans and corn. During July of that same year, a severe heat wave swept across Europe, causing aggravated drought conditions in France, affecting crops for one of the European Union's largest grain producers. And as we move towards 2 degrees Celsius of warming, the probability of major cereal producers facing synchronous shocks in the same season will increase tremendously. The same research also discovered that global warming could enable some weeds and pests to proliferate and weaken certain crops' ability to fight disease. Scientists say it is beginning to look more like the tropics, where pests and pathogens persist year-round and is very difficult to control. Scientists have also shown that pumping more carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, primarily due to human activities such as coal burning, could decrease the quality of nutrients in certain crops. For example, a report revealed that wheat grown in an environment with elevated concentration of carbon dioxide found 13% less protein and 8% less iron in the grain.